Green Tea programs. Today we will present the latest information about environmental and sustainable development with Ms. Alfa and my partner
Geida. Today we will discuss various initiatives that support the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs),
specifically related to reducing the use of single-use plastic bottles.
The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are a set of 17 programs goals established by United Nations as a means of achieving a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were adopted in 2015 of the 2013 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The SDGs are designed to address a range of global challenges, including poverty, inequality, climate change, environmental degradation, peace, and justice. Of the 17 goals, one that we will discuss is clean water and sanitation. So this time we will directly examine people in FISIP who are related to our topic this time. First, let's get straight into the interview with a student who prefers to carry tumbler in his daily activity on campus, guided by our two hosts in the following talk show.
Right, now we with our first informant. Maybe you can introduce yourself first.
My name is Ola. I am from Sociology 24.
Okay, hello Ola. And so you are the one of the college student here that always bring the bottle tumbler in your daily activity. So, what's your main reason for bringing a tumbler in your daily activity?
Of course, I can save my expenses, and also because Physics UB provides the refill.
Do you think the drinking water refill facility in Visip supports students who regularly bring a tumbler?
At this moment, I already see that many of the college students already bring their own water bottle, but sometimes I still found that the college students still choose to buy the plastic bottles.
After the talk show session, we will move on to the next session, which is more interesting to meet the Director General of Sosling BEM Visip, accompanied by Claudia as his partner who will explain about the environmental.
Good afternoon, Karatu. First of all, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Claudia Intan, a student from Sociology major, and today I want to do some interview about SDGs, especially SDGs number 6. As we know that SDGs number 6 is tell about clean water and sanitation. So I want to ask some question for you about SDGs, about FISIP and the refillable water in FISIP.
Okay, first of all, thank you, Claudia. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu. I'm a communication student batch 2022 from FISIP, of course, and I was the chosen General Director of Environment from BEM FISIP UB on 2024.
Okay, thank you, Karatu. Let's go from the first question. For the first question, what do you know about SDGs, especially SDGs number 6, focus on ensuring availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all?
Okay, so based on your question, I suppose to give what does it mean by SDG 6, right?
Yes.
And I believe that SDG 6, as it's stated, it is about clean water and sanitation for everyone. And it boosts what's supposed to be a way for people to be able to access sustainable water management. So yeah, it is not only about water as a whole, but it is about water that is clean, so it can boost for people's sanitation and hygiene, and it's supposed to be available for billions of people, which we're supposed to know that SDGs is formed for the general issue happening all over the world. So with this point being made, then it means that there are not everyone have access to clean water and sanitated water, and it is something that is currently being the mission to be achieved in a lot of countries to be able to provide clean water for the people, and so that the people can access hygienic water and it can help do their basic needs. I think that's the intro.
How universities, especially FISIP and Universitas Brawijaya, can contribute to achieving SDGs number 6?
something more practical, as we see already, is like water refill stations. It's all over FISIP, it's all over Brawijaya, so it is one of the example of practical things to be able to be provided. And then they're supposed to manage the water in FISIP too, like to make sure that the water quality is good and it is eligible for people to be accessing it, and they have to be able to manage that facilities in a good state.
And what suggestion do you have to encourage more FISIP students to use the water refill facilities instead of buying plastic bottle drinks?
Water stations, it is already good. Maybe they just have to manage it more frequently, and then maybe add it so people would find it easier. Because I see sometimes we still queue to refill our water bottle, and it takes time. Maybe FISIP, if they want to make it more efficient, they could like add more facilities that can boost that. And of course, SDG 6 is not only about our people, right? It applies to a bigger crowd, the people.
Okay, thank you so much, Karatu, for the maybe it's the last question I asked to you. It's such a pleasure to talk with you about the SDGs, and thank you so much for your time. And have a nice day, Karatu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, the interview session with the research person has finished on how they represent clean water and sanitation with the case of using tumbler and reducing plastic bottles.
We and our partner hope that the audience, you guys, will get benefit that can be applied to your life.
I'm Zalfa.
And I'm Gaida.
Thank you for watching our talk show and bye-bye!